So another way to share your photos is online. And I'm going to set aside social media because once it's out there for good and you have no control over it. But I want to talk about how you can share online where you do control it, as in a private family website or on one of the companies that allows you to upload photos, videos, and other documents and share them with the people that you specify. These are great for families who are spread across the country or extended families who would like to gather photos from various members and work on a family history project where they can collaborate both in the storytelling and the photo gathering. Most of these sites offer free trials so that you can upload samples to make sure that the platform will work for your family and for the project that you want to do and tell your story the way you want to tell it. If you have questions about online sharing in these private sites, put them in the questions below and we'll answer them. We'll also include some of our recommendations of some of the best sites that we've found. Look forward to speaking with you soon.